Disabling two-factor authentication on Netflix can help streamline your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your Netflix account. Visit the Netflix website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, scroll down to the Security section where you will find options related to two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Look for the option that mentions two-factor authentication. Click on it and follow the prompts to disable the feature. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling, you may need to confirm your decision. Follow any additional instructions provided to ensure the changes are saved. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Netflix account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.